Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Columbia, Plymouth, Millersville, Willow Street, Manheim, East Petersburg, Leola, Salem, and Radisson, Rockville, Mansfield, and Locations impacted include Lancaster, Columbia, Plymouth, Millersville, Willow Street, Manheim, East Petersburg, Leola, Salem, and Radisson, Rockville, Mansfield, and Lincoln. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The National Weather Signal. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. As we
can't get wink. Oh, can't get wink. Can't get wink. Oh, we'll save it. We'll save it. We'll save it. We'll save it. Come on, scroll. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry. Cannot get wink.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding.
Ah, couldn't get them in time. Oh well, that's okay.
Until 5 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
There we go. Okay, so I am going to